Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila ban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan tang hapok kendiat tayo hadian bakatanat ka koi ka kia jong ka Sorkar kala sya kan tha teng e namar ka jinglej berat Dawai daki lak teli ki bala Sniew hamarten kabadan ha ka snong maulai mauyong ka menteri jong katanat ka koi ka kia jong ka Sorkar jela ka Dr. Mezel Ambri Lingdo ha ka khat pratrik unai tung an hazar apulai kalai thu bambenta ka kenti ka Sorkar kala Thaw da ka komiti ka ban Peit ber ka ban bishar ya ki Dawai ki bala dai ban berat no da ka babut renti ik kendon khnang ba kini ki Dawai kinam long ki jing penjabo ya ka mei mariang ber kinam long ki jing ma ki bala ban kata ya
No, the inquiry now went ahead and we have installed committees. We have installed a committee to ensure that that the disposal of medical waste, bio-waste is handled correctly by government agencies. And as far as that one incident is concerned, I have still not received the report, and I am told that procedures bearing the committee approval were followed as prescribed. It's just that there was no committee in place, there was no drug authority to ascertain the expiry of those medicines, there was no pollution control to make sure that the procedures were followed accurately. But henceforth, we will adhere to all of these mandatory requirements, because bio waste and medical waste are very, very important, and we need as a government to also adhere to prescribed norms.
What is the name of this committee, ma'am?
No, it is called the State Committee for Evaluation of Medicines to be disposed of.
There was no committee.
No, there was no committee.
Yes.
Now we have installed it, and we have already told the committee to strictly follow the procedures. Pollution Control Board is part of that committee. The drug authority, the drug controller authority is also a member of that board. The municipal board is a member of the board. Health department is a member of the board.